Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The numpy.savetxt function is a convenient way to save arrays to text files in a readable format. It can be especially useful when you want to store data for later use or share it with others. Overview of numpy.savetxt. The numpy.savetxt function allows you to save a numpy array to a text file. You can specify various parameters such as the delimiter, formatting, and whether to include headers or comments. Basic syntax. Parameters. Name, the name of the file to which the array will be saved. This can be a string or a file object. X, the array to be saved. This should be a 1D or 2D array. FMT, a format string that defines how the values are to be formatted. For example, %.2f will format numbers to 2 decimal places. Delimiter, the string used to separate values. The default is a space. Header, a string to be written at the top of the file. Footer, a string to be written at the bottom of the file. Comments, a string that will be prepended to the header and footer to indicate that these lines are comments. Encoding, the encoding to use for the output file. Useful for text files. Code example. Here's a simple example that demonstrates how to use numpy.savetxt to save a numpy array to a text file. Explanation of the code. 1. Importing numpy. We start by importing the numpy library. 2. Creating an array. We create a 2D array named data containing some floating point numbers. 3. Specifying the file name. We define the file name where we want to save the data. 4. Saving the array. We use np.savetxt to save the array to the specified file. In this case, FMT equals %.2f formats the numbers to 2 decimal places. Delimiter equals, separates the values with a comma. Header adds a header to the file, while comments equals prevents the header from being prepended with a comment character. 5. Reading the saved file. Finally, we open the file and read its contents to verify that it was saved correctly. The contents are printed to the console. Output. The output in the data.txt file will look like this. Conclusion. Using numpy.savetxt is a straightforward way to save numpy arrays to text files, with options to customize formatting and add metadata like headers and comments. This functionality is beneficial for data analysis, sharing results, or saving intermediate computations in a human-readable format.